Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a 28 pack of these they're magic eraser type things, and but look at them. These are it. So it comes with a whole ton of them, and it's got the same thing. And I was actually using it the other day. I opened them up. So this one, oh, this one here's got filled with water right now. But I was using this one here. You can see it's a little dirty because I was using it on my stovetop here, and it was able to get up some of those scratches and stuff that were on that there. And I have another one that I stuck in my shower, and it was able to get rid of a lot of the drip marks and stuff just by doing a little bit of scrubbing with it. So it's got a little bit of abrasiveness. But so it does that. It also will, you could use it on the wall if you get some like marks on the wall. You can use it to wipe off that, wipe off the refrigerator, anything you really need. It can work like a sponge, but it's got a little bit of abrasiveness on it. So I mean, I don't know if it would work on a car finish, but on some of the internal parts or something like that, if you need to just clean off some marks on a seat or something like that, I have the white Tesla seat covers, and so this can help clean up those if it's needed. So these are nice, and it's nice to have a nice big pack of them, that's for sure. So I'm all set for a little while. I like it. Thumbs up.